the mill pond and the water wheel. Not enough water this month to run the wheel.
The saw is going to go up and down, and this arm is going to go back and forth. This is connected to the bottom of the saw. It's a pitman shaft that goes across the floor, comes around and comes back and is hooked to this. This works level with the saw. In the middle, like I say, the ratchet gear system, spindle in the middle, rope goes around the top side, goes to both ends of the mill. Travels underneath, around the pulley, comes back, hook to the carriage. Back on the other side, same thing. So on the end here, we have a weight. All there is just two sets of blocks tapered. You shove the taper in this way so that spreads it. And right here, I was telling you about the friction pulley in the middle. That ratchet gear system in the middle, like I say, there's a spindle about a foot across, about a foot long. Rope goes around it twice over the top side. Do you get it?
I think we do.
Yep. That's the gear with two sets of teeth each way.
And you can make it go one direction by engaging one ratchet?
You just watch. You stand right there. This one here on this side here. This one here is forward. That's forward. This one here is a push. That's a hold. Reverse, back one's a push, front one's a hold. They're just opposite in what they do. Diameter cogwheel with hook teeth on it. Spindle gear was 20. This is the main shaft arm that goes up to the saw. Off of the saw, we have a pitman arm, which is right.
So that's the
That's a pitman shaft. As the saw goes up, and the motion that there does, as the saw goes up and down this way, this arm rocks back and forth this way. So it's giving me the motion to travel back and forth this way. That's what gives me my motion to run the carriage back and forth.
These are made of oak, but they're 25 years old, is that right?
There's some new, some old, but as they get old, they're going to break. So here's replacements.
Okay.
There's a replacement.
This is an oak tooth, and that's
That's a spindle. That's the bottom one here.
That's made.
This is made out of yellow birch.
Okay. Well,
These are the shims that's on both sides of the tooth.
that's how they're
There's
held
four
in.
of them. That's how they're held in.
Okay.
That keeps them centered. That's what keeps them centered in the middle of the wheel.
These are logs that will come into the mill using a block and tackle with 3 ropes, a friction pulley.
Why they call it a friction pulley is when I'm going to get rid of that. The more wraps you put on it, the easier that log's going to go up. So, as you put wraps on it, it's going to get easier to, and all you got to do is hold it, and how it works.
Oh.
This going back and forth, it just ratchets. As long as you're holding is off of the pitman arm off the bottom of the saw, what runs that.
And that's moving this thing up here?
That moves the arm, which is a stabilizer, which gives us a chance to run her forward and reverse on her carriage, plus bring our logs up out of the water.
Wow. 3 different things from one pitman arm.
Just one.
The ways they're made of maple?
These are made of oak.
Okay.
These are made out of oak.
And the pot riding on them is?
That's probably could be spruce or fir. Probably spruce, most likely.
Yeah. And that's lubricated?
Yeah, with just animal fat.
Okay.
Rendered animal fat.
So the wheel is 21...
21-foot water wheel.
Okay.
With 48 buckets on it. Each one of the buckets will hold 5 gallons of water. When we start, we're going to fill about the first 5 buckets, and after that the wheel's going to go off center and start turning. As long as we keep water in each one of the buckets, we can keep the wheel turning. turn. And the speed varies from what we put in for water. If we put a gallon in each one of the buckets, we're going to run 30, 35 strokes a minute to saw. At 4 to 5 gallons in the bucket, each one of them are going to go anywhere from 130 to 140 strokes a minute. That's how we get our speed on what water we put in each one of the buckets.